Hello, guys. Look at these scrumdiddlyumptious pierogies. These are, sorry for my shadow. I boiled them, and then I ended up putting them in the toaster oven for just to get them until they got brown. I did it for about 10 minutes, 9-10 minutes. But yeah, I boiled the water, then I added 6 to the water. I boiled them for 3 minutes, and they were all floating on the top. And then, yeah, I decided to also bake them because I like when they get a little bit brown. I sometimes like to fry them too. Well, in a frying pan, not like deep fried, but yeah, so what I did was I took a piece of foil and I rubbed butter on top of the foil so they wouldn't stick. And then I sprinkled some chives on top, and then I sprinkled some feta cheese. And then I cut up a tomato after they were done and put the tomato on. And then on top of the tomato, I sprinkled some dill weed and then some sea salt and pepper. That's just some instant Quaker Oats butter grits. I shouldn't have made that many. But here, I'll show you the Perogies Mrs. T's brand. These are loaded baked potato. There's a recipe on the back for shredded pork. On them. I think it's shredded pork. What is that? Featured recipe, pulled pork barbecue pierogies. So, and then I'll show you the feta. And then this crumbled feta original on top of it. Emporium Selection. Not treated with RBST. Okay, cool. But, yeah, so sometimes I like to do sour cream with them. Now, if they're not like the loaded baked potato flavor, sometimes I like to use a pasta sauce, and I'll melt cheese on top. But yeah, you guys, I ended up toasting some everything bread in there, but I don't know. I don't think I'll be able to eat it. I think my stomach was bigger than my head. So, okay, you guys, I wanted to share my early lunch. I've been up since like the crack of dawn, since 2:30 in the morning, and it's like 9 o'clock, so it's kind of like my lunch for me. So, well, I would eat this for breakfast. Like, not all the time do I eat typical normal breakfast food. Sometimes I'll eat a hamburger in the mornings or a hot dog, depending on what I feel. So, yeah. Okay, so while I have you here, I'm actually going to, here, let me set you up on my tripod so I can show you. I'm not done shopping at all, but so here, I picked up a dress. It's gorgeous. You see it right there. So I'm going to show it to you real quick. Yeah. Oh, don't click off. All right. So, and I picked up a perfume. The perfume. This was wrapped around the perfume bottle, so I took it out, and it smells so good. The bottle's huge, and it was only like $7.59. But so this is a Vanilla Star brand. It's a 1X. I did try it. It fits beautifully, but I do need shapewear because it's the way that it goes to my stomach is, especially with this crinkle part. The way that it goes to my stomach, if it clings around my stomach a certain way, or if I'm bloated, I'm gonna look like I'm freaking pregnant. But yeah, it's a little rougher material. I don't know. It's not like that chiffon material. I don't know. It kind of feels like crepe paper. But it is like light, loose. But yeah. It doesn't go all the way to the floor. So what is this type of dress called? Maxi or something? I don't know. But it does look cute on. And, oh, here's the tag. Pretty Vanilla Star, and it was $30, and I got it for $21, you guys. So isn't it cute? So I'm gonna wear this today, but yeah. And then, oh my God, this perfume. Here, let me move you over here. That way I can see if I'm... Yeah, good. So, oh, cool. I was able to show you my meal and a little fashion find. This is my second time seeing this in the perfume section at my Meijer Superstore. OP. It reminds me of that old clothing brand, Ocean Pacific or something. Is this called Ocean Pacific? OP is a trademark of Icon Day Holdings. I don't know. But yeah, so this is called Beach Paradise. You get 3.4 fluid ounces. It's 100 milliliters, a day parfum. And they had another option where it looked like a sunset. So I'm not sure what I want to buy that one to see what that smells like and to see if it's something I would like. But yeah, these are $7.95. So it had that cardboard wrapping around it. But this one I knew for sure I would like because I was assuming that since there's flowers on here, that it would be a floral scent. But this bottle, you guys, look at it. This is like etched in too. But isn't it cute? I love perfume bottles. It smells so fucking good. Sorry. But yeah, so this will last a while. It smells like peony, roses, I could be saying a totally wrong flower, but that's what it smells like to me. And it reminds me of being at the beach. So it's like it's a floral. It's more prominent in the floral department. So it's floral, beachy, clean, fresh, and then there's like a hidden tone. In my opinion, it's a hidden attribute to it where it has like that sweet smell, which I'm not into those too much, but so it's not my favorite perfume, but it is very lovely. I do love it. I'm glad I bought it, and it seems to be lasting because I left Meijer's after I went to the clinic. I went up to Myers and I left there about, I got to Myers, it's on the way home. Got to Myers about like 6:15 or so. And then I just got home. It's 8:55. About an hour or longer. An hour or so longer I've been home. And usually if a perfume doesn't last, usually it'll go away within an hour. But this is lasting, you guys. It does spray out really strong at first, so you don't get the full attribute of it at first. You gotta wait till it dies down. And I know my eyes are dragging. It's because they're about to slam shut because I'm so fucking tired. This is about the time of day that, see, today it's really bothering me. It's really bothering me. And this is not a good day today for my sleeping disorder and whatnot. I'm fucking tired. So, okay, you guys. Oh, I'm miserable right now. I will talk to you later. And see ya. Don't wanna be ya. No, I'm joking. You don't wanna be me. So, okay. I'll talk to you guys later. God dang, I'm tired. Bye-bye, babies.